I have it in my hand. Somewhere. Right here.
No, it's the trial court certification.
Let me get his autograph. Where are you doing?
Thanks, Judge.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
If I may, Judge.
And what page is he on? Thank you. All right. Court is calling 2021 CR 2910W, State of Texas versus Rick Anthony Contreras. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Asterisk. And here we go, State versus Rick Anthony Contreras. Right from the start. This isn't just about paperwork. It's about whether Rick's second chance is about to collapse in front of everyone. Asterisk.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Any objections to the state's waivers?
No, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
That's wrong.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
That's wrong.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement? All right, state, what are you requesting? Defense, what are you requesting?
We're requesting.
Asterisk. 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 Wow. Notice how fast he admits guilt here. True. No hesitation. But what do you think? Is he being honest? Or just trying to soften the judge for mercy? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
That you've been using.
Marijuana, and I was using methamphetamines.
How often were you using that?
I was using it every other day.
All right, so I don't understand how you're able to take care of family members, but you're using that.
I was taking care of my son and everything, but when my brother passed, I just fell into a deep hole. I wasn't using drugs, I was only smoking weed, but when my brother passed, I dove into using meth.
And how old is your son?
My son is 4.
And you're taking a 4-year-old using that?
No, I was taking care of him, and I stopped because his mom just started to be able to walk. She was able to move and stuff. She was in a wheelchair. I was taking care of him the entire duration of probation.
All right, so then did you start using meth while you were taking care of a 4-year-old?
I wasn't taking care of him when I started.
All right, so you waited until his mother could start walking, then you went off to start doing meth.
He started using meth after his brother. His wife had already started to walk again before his brother passed, so she was able to resume care of his son. But shortly after that, his brother passed, and at that point, he started using meth. That he was no longer caring for his son because his wife had resumed the ability to walk and care for their son.
All right, so why are you not reporting?
I didn't report because I was taking care of my son.
And then his brother passed.
My probation.
Shall report because you're taking care of your son.
No. My probation officer had sent me a text message telling me that I had failure to report, which put a warrant out for my arrest. I continued working at the same job. I didn't want to go to jail because I was taking care of my son at the time. I did not want to lose that and put her in a worse position while she was not.
So this is what I'm not understanding. I'm trying to get to the crux of this situation. You're not reporting. You know you're supposed to report. Am I correct in that?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a big pivot. Instead of prison time, the defense is asking for drug court, a program focused on treatment over punishment. But here's the kicker. Drug court is no walk in the park. It's strict, it's long, and one slip-up could land him right back here.
Those are your 2 choices. And if you want to discuss it with your attorney, you can discuss it with your attorney.
Can I discuss it with him?
Yes. Oh, he wants to discuss with you. Okay. All right.
Like you go back to look at the twice.
What is today a little longer than a few days.
Okay. You write down Contreras?
I was asking the probation if there was a way for him to be drug tested.
No, there is not.
Would the court, he's on medical monitor. Would the court allow him to go take a drug test? So I think that's, you talked earlier about problems with probation. I've been trying to get him to take a drug test with probation since he's been on bond. Probation has refused to allow him that opportunity.
No.
Because it's unfair to him, but he can't provide proof to the court that he's not on drugs.
No. He's either going to say,
well, no, Judge, hold on.
Mm-hmm.
It's unfair to him not to be able to present evidence to the court that he's not on drugs because probation has refused him the possibility to take a drug test.
Okay, so you have two choices.
Well, Judge,
safety or 4 years.
Judge, hear me out. It's unfair. This gentleman has an opportunity, has been asking probation for over a month to come take a drug test, as you told him to. You told us when we were here last time, go to probation and take a drug test. You told us that. We've been emailing this probation officer over and over and over. The court wants us to take drug test. We've been unable to because they don't.
I don't want a drug test today. But I mean, if y'all want to give me a drug test, you can. But he's not leaving the court today. That's what.
And there it is, the moment that makes the courtroom freeze. Meth, not just weed, not casual use. This is where the judge's patience is about to get seriously tested.